Hi guys, I'm here at my grandmother's place and we're just tackling a quick bit of mildew on the ceiling. I've done most of it, but I wanted to show you this. So, we're in the laundry area here. Now, as you can see, this part here of the ceiling is clean because I've just washed it. And this part here has got a bit of mildew on it. Now that's not mold, it's just mildew. And it will easily come off with a flat mop and a bit of vinegar, and the vinegar will help it to stop to growing back. So let's see how quickly we can do this. We've got the flat mop here, it's already got vinegar all in the thing, and it's pretty much, it's just wiping off. It's very quick. This one's a good one because you can just flop it over and get the cleaner side. I'll show you how much dirt it's come off. But it's good because you can easily get into the corners here. And I'll just keep going with this, but you can see how much that's coming off. And that didn't take long. I literally did these two panels of the ceiling in like maybe 2 minutes. So I'll just complete the rest of the area and boom, it won't grow back for some time. So there we go. We got rid of all the mildew in this little laundry room area. And to reiterate, all I used was vinegar and a flat mop. And actually, because we don't really like the smell of the vinegar after I did the rinsing, I basically put a little bit of Pino Clean in the bucket just to freshen up the smell a little bit. So there you go. What do you reckon, Grandnan?
Very good.
Yep, it took us 10 minutes to do this whole room. Boom. So job well done, hey?
Job well done.
Yep, it's all gone, and the vinegar will actually deter that mildew from growing back.